Did you know that laughter is the best medicine unless you have a broken bone? Then you need a real doctor. But did you also know that it's also the best way to learn about finance? Well, it's about to be, because in this video I am gonna explain some really important money concepts with so many jokes that even if you do understand the joke, you'll still laugh and then learn at the same time. So let's do it. First, we got saving. Saving money is a lot like going to the gym. At first it sucks, but later you get rewarded. When you first start saving money, it feels like someone took your favorite snack away from you, right? That's because you used to have more discretionary income, which means money left over after paying for all your needs like food, clothing, and shelter. But once you've built up the habit of saving, it feels good, almost like a reward. And what do you get at the end of the month when you able to add money to your savings account? Boom, a sense of financial security. Now, just like going to the gym requires discipline and consistency, saving money does too. So set financial goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements. Now, if you're looking to level up your savings game, consider opening a high-yield savings account. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. Plus, many online banks offer these accounts, meaning less fees and more bang for your buck. For example, Ally Bank, Markers by Goldman Sachs, and Wealthfront all offer competitive rates. Just remember, while earning more interest is great, it won't make up for bad spending habits. So be sure to pair your high-yield savings account with a budget. Speaking of which, budgeting is next. Budgeting, I know it sounds as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. It's like making a plan for your money instead of letting your money run wild like a toddler in a supermarket. A budget helps you figure out where your money is going and where you can cut back so you can save more and achieve your financial goals. And hey, maybe treat yourself occasionally, but within reason. So here are 3 apps to help you stick to your budget and not go crazy with your credit card. First, there's Mint, a free app that lets you connect all your bank accounts and credit cards so you can easily track your spending. Next, we got Rocket Money, which can automatically find and cancel subscriptions you don't use and negotiate lower bills on your behalf. Finally, there's EveryDollar, a budgeting app that uses the envelope method to help you allocate your money wisely. So whether you prefer a free all-in-one app or one that focuses on specific aspects of personal finance, there are plenty of tools available to help you manage your money effectively and avoid those nasty debt collectors. But wait, there's more. You can also try the 50-30-20ths rule as a guideline for budgeting. With this approach, you allocate 50% of your after-tax income towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. But please note that this is just a general guideline, and you should adjust it based on your own circumstances. For example, if you have high interest rate debt, you may want to allocate more towards repayment. Or if you're saving for a down payment on a house, you may want to allocate more towards savings. Next up, we got investing. Investing is like planting a seed. You gotta nurture it and watch it grow over time. You can't expect to become a millionaire overnight, but with patience and consistency, you can watch your investment portfolio blossom into a fruitful financial future. And here's how to do it. First, choose an investment platform like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Vanguard. Then decide what to invest in. You can spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are loans you make to governments or corporations, and real estate can include rental properties or REITs, which are investment funds that own and operate income-producing real estate. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Then review your investments regularly, rebalance as needed, and stay invested for the long term. And here's a bonus tip. Consider working with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. Next, let's talk about beating inflation. Now, inflation is an economic process that increases the prices of goods and services over time, which means that your money today will be worth less in the future. But don't worry, you can beat inflation by investing in assets that appreciate in value faster than inflation, such as stocks and real estate. And here's how to do it. First, understand the basics of inflation and how it affects your purchasing power. Next, invest in assets that historically have outpaced inflation, such as the S&P 500 or real estate. And finally, consider using inflation-adjusted investments, such as Treasury inflation-protected securities or TIPS. Remember, while investing can help you beat inflation, it's also important to have a balanced portfolio and to diversify your investments. Finally, we got making money work for you. Now, this concept is simple. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a bank account, you can make it work for you by investing it in various ways, like starting a business, investing in stocks, or lending money to others. But the catch is that it takes effort and knowledge to make money work for you, which is why many people are stuck in a cycle of working for money rather than having their money work for them. Breaking free from this cycle requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to take risks. But the rewards can be significant. By investing in yourself and your financial education, you can learn how to make your money work for you. And to get started, check out these platforms for courses on topics like business, marketing, productivity, and more. These courses can help you develop new skills or enhance existing ones, which can be valuable in any money-making endeavor. So, whether you want to start a business, invest in the stock market, or simply improve your financial literacy, there are plenty of resources available to help you make your money work for you. Alright, now that you've learned all these money lessons, it's time to put them into practice and build your wealth. But don't forget the most important lesson of all. Laughter is the best medicine unless you have a broken bone. Then you need a real doctor. Here's another joke for you. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.